This is a 3-act task video for first graders called How Tall Am I in Centimeters? It covers the teaks of 111.37c, which covers the teaks of measuring the same object or distance in two different units and comparing the results. For the teachers who are going to be watching this video, this answers the questions, can the same two units represent the same distance? Since it's meant for first graders, we're going to show them that it can. And when you do this lesson, be sure to ask questions like, what would be a unique way to measure me? Instead of in feet, what if we measure me in centimeters, or in pipe cleaners, or in markers? And just because one number is bigger, does that mean that distance is greater? We're trying to show them that the distance, though represented in different numbers, is exactly the same. So I'm going to get started and show you how to conduct this activity. Okay, class, today we are going to be learning about standard units of measurement. We are going to be learning about the height of a chair. Now, we can measure a chair, or really any object in the world, in various ways. Feet, inches, centimeters, miles, but which units make the most sense? And if we use two different units for the same distance, do they really give us the same result? We are going to be using feet and centimeters to be doing this lesson. Now, this will show us how to do it. See, we have 1 inch, 2 inches, it goes all the way down, showing us both the inches and centimeters that lead into feet, which is how tall the chair is from top to bottom. Now, my question for everybody is, how tall do you think the chair is? And will the numbers be the same? Alright, so now I'm going to show you guys how to properly use the standard units of measurement, like this measuring tape, or what you'll be using, a ruler. So the very first thing you do is line up the top of the measuring tape or the ruler with the top of the item. Then you start pulling it down, all the way down. Very slowly, don't want to hurt anybody or anything. And you go all the way to the very bottom. Okay, that's as far as it's going. Okay, now that we're at the bottom, it shows us that this chair is 2 feet 9 inches tall. So, this chair is 2 feet 9 inches tall. But how tall is that in centimeters? Well, 1 foot equals 31 centimeters. So, if we add 31 plus 31, what do we get? We get 62. 1 for each foot. And then we add the 9 extra inches, and we get 71 centimeters. 71 centimeters. All right, so now that we've done that, my question to you is, do these two numbers really represent the same distance? All right, class, so now we have our final results. How tall was the chair? It was 2 feet 9 inches tall, or 71 centimeters. Now, what did we learn? We learned that even though the 71 centimeters is a much bigger number, it still equals the same distance as the 2 feet 9 inches. This shows that though both units are very different, they can give us the exact same result in two very different ways. But which one makes more sense to measure in? Should we measure everything in teeny tiny little centimeters, or much bigger feet in inches when it comes to the chair? That's right, feet and inches. It's a much more stable and understandable unit of measurement to use. That's what we learned today. You guys have done so well. I am so proud. We are going to learn how different units of measurement can be used to measure different things, but how, even though we get different results, we get the same distance.